I did not release modules 3 and 4. And today we'll discuss the assessment. I want to hear the challenges that you guys are facing about it. And I will support you guys to have solution upon all the challenges. If we need to extend time for you guys to I will determine that together. But time extension will not, if we extend time today, it will not shift modules 3 and 4 being released by next week. Even by this weekend, it won't shift that period. Because if I shift those 2 modules again, we might have some difficulties to finish up with the content for this course. But that means I believe that for all your groups, the bulk of the work has been done. And the bulk of the work has been done. That means the extension that you people possibly have, I'm not sure if we still agree together to have extension. But if we all agree together to extend the time, it will be for a few days, and it won't affect the calendar for the semester. I've received a few submissions that, let me open them up.
That period now, where they do, which design they do that time?
Have I received?
How far to design? Why I borrowed that pen? Because last week I used that pen at Pentecost house.
Mr. Tolong, should I meet you for my hand?
That's why I drop. I can't go give out.
Okay, I'm trying to open up okay, while the file is being opened, I want to know, can you let me know the challenges you guys are facing about assessment 2? If you want to talk, you can just unmute yourself and speak up. Hello? Can you let me know the challenges you are facing about assessment 2 and assessment 1? Because if you let me know, that's when I'll be able to support you guys to have solution. That is why I need you people to speak out. And if everything is still running well, that means by the end of today, I should be expecting full submission from all the groups. Can I know the challenges you guys are facing? Can you speak to me, speak to me? Yeah, so long Oloju, you want to, okay, long Femi Fashe saying, yeah, you're free, speak up, speak up.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, one of the challenges we are facing is that most of us are not in Akure currently, and we resorted to Zoom meeting to make our meetings, and we don't know if that is acceptable by you, sir.
Yeah, fully acceptable.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Fully acceptable. The thing is, okay, just let me know if you set up Zoom for yourself.
Yes, sir.
You can send me the link.
Okay, sir.
And I can join. I won't talk. I won't say anything.
Okay, sir.
Or just send me. You can record it. But
okay,
once you
yes,
record it, I just want to know the people. I should be able to identify the people that attended each meeting.
Okay, sir.
And you know
yes,
that
sir.
for each group, you are expected to have minimum of 3 meetings.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means I should be able to know those that attended the first meeting, the second meeting,
and the third. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
You can use Google.
Much, sir.
You can use Google Meet. You can use if it's possible, you can use Facebook. And just let me know. Let me have the record of those that attended the meeting. That's all. Anything you can meet facially and use physically and use your phone to capture the video. I'm okay with it.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I've not seen any group that submitted. Or is there any group that submitted? Oh, there's a group that submitted. That's cool. That's awesome. Yeah. Any other challenge that you guys are facing? Let me know. Can someone talk to me? If you don't know, let me know. If you want, because we need to agree, if you want extension of time, I'll need to know the reason. Because I can't extend the time like a blanket. I need to know why I'm extending the time. Because if I don't know the challenges you are facing, if I extend the time like a blanket, if I just give a blanket extension, the problem will still persist. That is why I want to know all the challenges for us to know how to solve them. Please, can someone talk to me? Awesome. If you want to talk, please feel free to unmute yourself. Let me go through assessment 2. At least I can give some explanation. I really appreciate those that the group that submitted. That's the group of I think only one person has submitted. That is Joshua Tito Bioluwa Adeni. Thank you very much. That is really nice of you. There's another group here. I can see their picture on the preview. Thank you that you submitted. I really like how you presented the whole issue. Yeah. Now, the goal, please don't forget to focus on the strategy you have to, the principle you have to discuss. And yeah, what I'm seeing is really interesting. I'm really happy for this wonderful submission. Yeah, it's really interesting. I'm happy about it. Wow. Yeah. Thank you for those that have submitted for this group. Thank you very much. I'm really impressed. I'm very, very impressed about this submission. Please let more submission come in. With what I've been saying, with what we discussed today, I have not seen any reason to extend the time. I'm not seeing any reason to extend the time. Or is there anyone that wants to make a case for extension of time? Wow, that's good. Is there anyone that wants to make a case for extension of time, or I should just... Yeah, Mr. Tolong, I can hear you. Tolong, you can speak now.
Right. So recently, a lot of, especially in we that are carrying over the course, a lot of people are just getting assigned to their groups that we've seen, and they may need time to be able to assess the assessments. Like, we need time to go through the assessments. A lot of us had Canvas issues with logging in and setting up the Canvas app again.
Okay, Canvas issue, logging in onto Canvas. Okay, a lot of people having issues setting up their assessment. But I didn't put all the carryover students as I can see it on the list. I didn't put them on the same group. They are all in different groups. That's why, because I know because you have other courses to attend to in your primary level. That's why I didn't put you guys in the same group. You guys are spread around, and okay, let's take that as one of the reasons. We'll see if we all agree that that's one of the tangible reasons we can still have a platform for it. Yeah. So long, do you want to say something?
No, that's all I wanted to say. Like the inclusion of some of the carryover students were included late, so we may need time to familiarize ourselves with the project more.
Okay. Do we have anyone that want to support that reason? Please let me know the challenge. Let me know. Yeah, Mr. Julius, Kola Wali.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning, my dear brother.
Yes, sir. Just like you said, for the carryover students, because we've been having that issue of being not familiar with the assessment. So, and even currently, before this assignment was given or assessment was given, we were told we are going to have tests today, 2 tests. So it's kind of been affected my contribution to the group or even understanding the assessment. So I was thinking if we could get an extension for that, because even in my group now, we are 2 carryover students. So even to contribute is kind of difficult. And I'm 100% sure none of us would like it for us to leave the whole distance to the current students, 200 and 400 level students. So I would like it if we could get an extension.
Okay.
Submission.
Now, I will ask you, before you go, Mr. Julius, I will ask you, yes, have you integrated with the 400 level students, with your colleagues in your group?
Yes, we met yesterday and even 2 days ago. But ever since they've been talking about it, I do not understand most of what they're saying. So that's why I could not meet up with them.
Okay. Now, as one of the carryover students, have you engaged with any of the modules?
Not right now, sir. No.
Not right, because okay, I can easily pick up your data here.
Yes, I know.
Run a query on it. Yeah, that's the reason why it's not. I'm not. Pardon me for putting you at the center, but I'm not focusing on you. I know the challenge of carrying over a course. I know, but the essential thing is integrate with your group. Let them know the challenges you're facing. All of them are human beings as well. They will understand. You get what I'm saying now? But yes, if you are saying you are a carryover student and you've not integrated with other people in your group, it will be challenging for them to, because if they have the first meeting and they send the video to me and I can't see your name on it, I can't see you on the video, I can't see your name, it will be challenging for me to believe that you contributed to that, to the assessment submitted by that. Do you get what I'm saying now? That is why it's advisable for you to integrate with your group. I can easily give extension of time, but if you've not integrated, you have to integrate now. That is that about that. Please, all other carryover students, please, let's try to. It could be challenging, but please, let's try to. And you know, the style that you guys were taught with when you were in 400 level, I'm sure it's not the same style I'm using. It's the same, it's more or less the same content, but there are some new knowledge that are embedded in it that you were not taught when you were informed. Please, that's why I said, please try to integrate. Yeah, I've had that. Any other reason apart from because of the phone carryover students? Any other reason? Any other reason? Any other reason?
No, sir, that will be awesome.
Okay. Do we have any other person that wants to talk to back up this? Yeah. With okay. Now let us now agree now. How long of the extension do you want? How long do you want the extension to be? You have the blank check now. Let me know how long do you want the extension to be? Class rep, any other person, anybody that wants to talk, please talk. How long do you want the extension to be? I'm waiting for a response before I give the final verdict. Yeah, Mr. Winnie.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Whatever we decide, like whatever number of weeks we choose, actually the verdict lies in your hand. But we surely appreciate. That's it. You're our lecturer now. So
yeah.
But we surely appreciate if we can talk to maybe 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Wow.
Yes, because this coming week now we are having our pencil jury for our minor project. I think it's the main jury for based on speculation. So we don't know how it is set. So this coming week will be kind of very busy for us. So that's why I'm seeking on behalf of others.
Okay, that is 1, 2 weeks. Any contrary opinion? Any other opinion? Class rep, do you have the mandate to speak on behalf of your class? I don't know if the class rep is here, but if you are here, please speak up. Or any other person that wants to talk, please feel free to talk before we move to other issues. Someone has suggested 2 weeks. Any other person speaking up before I move to other issues? Unmute yourself if you want to speak. Yeah, finalizing that means for assessment 2, the final submission will be coming in. Please, this is the final extension. I will not extend any further. I will not extend any further. And I will reflect it on Canvas now that it has been extended. That means the final submission will be coming in by 11:59 Nigerian time on the 27th of January. Mr. Woni suggested 2 weeks and you have your 2 weeks. Please let every submission come in on or before then. And for those that have submitted, if you want to improve it, you have that opportunity to submit multiple times. You can go back and resubmit and update the previous one that you submitted. It is the last one that you submit that will be captured. please. The final submission will be coming up, will be 27th of January by 11:59. Thank you very much. I move over to assessment 1. Assessment 1. Thank you very much. Thank you. I believe that 2 weeks will surely help you guys to be able to finish it off. Assessment 1 is reflective learning journal. This one runs throughout the length of the semester. And as it is individual. It is individual because we document what you learn in each of the modules. And please, I've put it in the instruction. Don't plagiarize yourself. Don't go online and do copy pasting. It's very, very, very easy. Even that's the first test that each person will pass through. And unfortunately, you won't be able to see the check from your hand. If you plagiarize, I will easily see it. If there's similarities between anybody and from one student and another student, it's very easy for me to track you down. And unfortunately, once you plagiarize, I'll just send you an email. I'll just send you an email to let you know that you've been caught. And these are the challenges you will face. These are the penalties for it. That's why I'm telling you, please don't plagiarize yourself. Write in your own terms, in your own language. I'm not marking any grammar. I'm not marking any English, the way you write, do your writing. What I'm focusing on is the content. Please don't plagiarize yourself. And it is your responsibility to keep your work safe. If you share your work with your journal with another person, I won't be there for you. I won't be there to receive explanation from you that someone did this, someone did this, someone did this, someone did this. And luckily, I don't need any, you are not submitting by hard copy for you to say maybe possibly it is where you went to print or something. You are submitting in soft copy. It's just easy for me to pick you up if you plagiarize yourself. That's why I'm advising you, please don't do it. Please don't do it. Now I go to assessment 3 that will be coming up very soon. I want assessment 2 to be in first before I release it for you, because I don't want to jam-pack you with a lot of assessment. A lot of assessment 3 will be group-based as well. And can we now suggest, should we retain the group that we are working with that we worked with for assessment 2 for assessment 3, or should we reshuffle ourselves again? Anybody that wants to suggest, should we reshuffle ourselves or retain the group that we use for assessment 2? Is there anyone here that wants to speak? Okay, someone said, let's keep the group up. Someone said, let's reshuffle.
Let's keep the original group. So let's keep the group, sir.
Let's keep the group, okay? I believe it would be good for us to, okay, let's keep the group, yeah? Let's go for it. We are going to keep the group, and the same group that you are for assessment 2, you use the same thing for assessment 3. It is role play. It is role play. Some of you will be architects. Some will play the role of quantity surveyor. Some will play the role of builder. Some will play the role of mechanical and electrical engineer. Some will play the role of a client. Some will play the role of a developer, and some other some other professions that we have in the built environment. We are going to discuss. I will give you the bidding plan, and you are going to discuss, okay, you want to do your lighting, how that conversation, how that discussion will go on, that exchange between the professionals involved in the built environment. And luckily, I will schedule you. It will still be the same thing. You send me your video, but there will be one meeting that you will schedule. I will be part of your meeting, and I will just listen in, and I will just observe what you guys are saying. There will be the project manager that will coordinate it or something like that, but it is role play. The details to be out once the details will be out by 27th January. That is after you submitted assessment 2. That is that about that. And there's another session I'm planning on, is a practice session. It will help you for you to know what to do. It will help you a lot for assessment 3. I'm bringing it. It is a live session, and a practicing architect will be with us. A practicing quantity surveyor will be with us. A practicing mechanical and electrical engineer will be with us. I'm having challenge locating a project manager, but I have someone that practices architecture and still does project manager on the side. I'm thinking of bringing that person in to play the role of a project manager, and we'll have conversation. You'll be able to ask them questions, and we'll be able to have a nice conversation together. It is, many of these people are very busy people. I'm trying to find the best time that all of them will be available for them to come and join, to participate in the practice session. And that is that about that. And before I let you guys go, that is that for today's class. That is the main thing I want to discuss. Please, as I said, modules 3 and 4 will be released, will not be delayed again. Modules 3 and 4 will be released before by weekend, and you will all get the alert, the announcement that it has been released through Canvas and through WhatsApp. Please, if you are not engaging with the modules, please log yourself in or enroll on Canvas. And please, for you to enroll, ensure you create a student account, a Canvas student account. Many of you guys that you are having issues to retrieve your password, it's because you just enroll straight away. You didn't create a student account. Please create a student account before you enroll. And if you've not enrolled, if you've not created your student account on Canvas, create a student account on Canvas, and using the email you use to enroll. Automatically by that, when you check your dashboard, you will see the courses you've enrolled for that are attached to that email. Please, because when you do that, be able to retrieve your password anytime. And please ensure you keep your password and username safe and secure. And I believe with that we will have a good second half for the semester. Do I have any other question that you guys want to ask me? Any further challenge, any aspect that you don't understand again? Thank you. Let me release you guys. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you again next week, Thursday, at the same time, by 8:30 a.m. Nigerian time. And have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. God bless you all.
Amen. Same to you, sir.
Thank you.
Amen. Same thing.